How to create a WWE 2K account. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial for you to be able to create your WWE 2K account. It's very simple. Now all I have to do first is open up or use up any referred web browser on our end, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So once you have pulled up your browser, all I have to do is to access this link that's going to be portal.2k.com, which is going to be the one that is showing on your screen. So as you can see, you can log in with a lot of platforms right here like Google, Apple, Steam, Epic Games, and so on. Now, if you created this account, it will be exclusively for 2K, but will not be connected with NBA. So from here, just hit on sign up, and then you will be choosing sign up with email. Now choose your country or region and as well as your date of birth. Simply follow these on-screen prompts so that you should be able to successfully create your 2K account. Once you've created on this one, just simply log in into WWE 2K for you to be able to activate your account. And that is how you create a WWE 2K account.